And here we are with the conspiracy theories. The first one is COVID as population control.
100% agree. 100%.
Girl, it definitely killed off a good portion of the population.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
COVID was just wild.
It was really bad.
Yeah, and it's still bad now. People are still getting COVID and still dying, getting sick. And these jobs don't pay you for, getting the time off.
I wasn't complaining about no stimulus, I like
You're right. We can get another one.
Good
but
girl.
I do think that might have been planned.
But that is a good one. Yeah, no. I think I vote yes.
I vote yes.
Yes.
Next
question.
Next!
Birds aren't real.
What?
Okay, so
what?
I knew this one.
Listen.
Okay, what?
No, hold on, because I believe in this. Fun. Every day I sit outside and there's a bird that sits on my fence and stares at me for like a good hour. Like,
what do you think it is? What?
There are some that are definitely fake, man.
Pigeons make the list of fake birds.
Yep. For me. For me.
It's the most scariest, biggest bird. This is the bird.
I have no idea. No. I mean, I don't know. I can't get with y'all with that conspiracy. I mean, birds did come from the dinosaurs.
Right.
And why they're real.
So to end my conspiracy, of course, conspiracy theories are not based on facts or logic. That is why they're such a thriller, but gotta love them.
Yeah. Go ahead. Comment down below if you really think what Nash is saying, birds are not real, or if you know by logic.
Come on now.
Do not birth other robots, but we will leave it at that. Next.